First time eating cereal. You like that? You like that? Woo! Don't eat your hands.
Yeah, is that good, buddy? You like that? Huh? So what is this?
I'll feed him.
You want to feed him?
Sure.
You kind of have to like scrape it along the roof of his mouth so it'll get back there far enough because he won't know how to eat it off the spoon.
And you won't take all of it though. Yeah. That's interesting. Not really sure. Let him give him time to eat it, dude.
You like that? Huh? You like that?
He wants to sit up.